Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Guys, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. This is day 10 of Ramadan, mashallah. And today I am going to show you the Iftar vibes in Islamic University of Madinah. Subhanallah. Now it's 5:40, just before Maghrib. And now I am going to the place where almost every person breaks his fast. Yeah, and this is the playground area. Yeah, so I was saying that just beside of the playground there is a rush. A lot of people, a lot of students are there who break their fast at that place. So right now I am just going there, and also after that I will go to the canteen to show you what we get in the iftar in Ramadan from university. And that one is a paid service, but I will show you both of them inshallah in this video. So if you wanna see and watch about anything about this university, then just to watch this video till the end. And yeah, finally alhamdulillah I have already reached there. It's not very far from my building. As you can see, my building is there. Yeah, that building is mine. I live there, and here is the rush of students. MashaAllah, subhanallah. What a amazing view, subhanallah. What a scene, mashallah. A lot of people, and you can see there is a dress code for some people who are helping others, and mashallah they are really good people because they do it for the sake of Allah. There is no fee they get, there is no nothing they will get. It's from them for the sake of Allah. And as you can see, they are mashallah giving food, and they are preparing for iftari, mashallah. Let me show you, subhanallah. Look, mashallah, such an amazing view. Let me show you from there. Subhanallah, there are a lot of people, and they are very nice, they are very helpful, subhanallah. As you can see, a huge rush of people, mashallah, tabarak ar-rahman. And also here is also they are distributing iftar, and those people are putting it there, mashallah. Yeah, so it was the iftar in Islamic University of Madinah, and it's totally free, and anybody can come here, and he can break his fast here. And not only here, actually there is a second place also. It's in the playground. The second place is near Masjid Ibn Baz. Yeah, Ibn Baz Mosque. It's at that side. So there also many students go, and there is also, and they make it there is a arrangement from university, and a lot of people go there, and they break their fast at that place. So yeah, now I am going to the canteen of university. So I will show you what we get in the canteen in Afsari, inshallah. And I hope you will like it. And yeah, since we get there, subhanallah, these unit number 2, Wahda Saniya. And from my room till the canteen, it takes around 5 minutes, and it's around 5-minute walks from my room to the canteen if you are not slow. Otherwise, if you are slow, then it will take longer. And also, yeah, in this video also 5 minutes already passed, but as you know, I was recording the video and I stopped there, so that's why it took 1 minute extra. Otherwise, it doesn't take that much time. So this is the canteen, mashallah. It's from outside, you know. I am going in the yeah, Sara number Isnain or Salasa, subhanallah. Yeah, it's third number third, mashallah. So I am going in number third. There are four there are 4 rooms, mashallah. There is one of them. Yeah, as you can see, third number. You will scan the barcode here. So just let me complete it. So mashallah, he is going to scan. Let me show you. Yeah, look, he finally did it. Assalamu alaikum, mashallah. How are you, brother? Mashallah, alhamdulillah, fine. Yeah, so now I am going inside. This is the way to go to there, mashallah. And the canteen is really nice. There are lots of chair, many people can sit there, they can easily have food, they can easily break their fast here also. Even some people, they break the fast here in the canteen, but I am not one of them. Yeah, sometime in the past I did it, but nowadays I am not breaking my fast here because it's very far from the masjid. So yeah, from here the things starts, mashallah. You can take one of them, either this bread or this bread, this brown bread, this white bread, or this, like it's bun type. So you can take one of them there. Yeah, and from here you can take some of them as well. As he is taking it, I will take one tray and some spoons, and mashallah. So you know, it's I don't know it's allowed here or not, but I am recording the video. Yeah. Here you can get either coffee or tea, some sugars, also dates, mashallah. Mashallah. So there are many variety, like this one, or there are rice. You can take it, macaroni, or there are 2 types of rice, mashallah. Also you can get this one, this like soup or samosa. Is cheese or keema? Okay. And here it's cheese samosa, and this one is from meat. So there are, look, 5 variety. You can take one of them, mashallah. Mashallah. So I am going to take the fish today, inshallah, because I love it. Mashallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Today there is no rush, that's why I came here very earlier. Otherwise it takes a lot of time to reach at this line. Subhanallah. And also you can get this, but I will not take it. Shukran. Mashayikh asri'u, barakallahu feekum. Yeah, and here also you can take either this one or this salad. So there are a lot of options, but I took green chili. Subhanallah. And also here you can take this. MashaAllah. I don't know what is this. This is first time I am looking at this. I don't know what it is, but I took this one. MashaAllah. And you can take one of the fruit or this one of them, like the zabadi or this one, laban. And you can take this one also. Jazakumullahu khairan. So I got all these items in iftar from the university, mashallah, and all of these items only in 3 riyal. Subhanallah, it's very cheap. Alhamdulillah. Let me pack it. Here you will pack it, then inshallah I will show you more. Alhamdulillah. So guys, I took my iftari and now I am going to my room. Yeah, these number second, as you can see there is rush little bit. Subhanallah. And here you can wash your hands. And now alhamdulillah I am done with iftari. Subhanallah. So this was the canteen of Islamic University of Madinah. Let me show you from here. MashaAllah. And you know there are a lot of kids here, like right now only 2. She is fearing. Subhanallah. Yeah, here is also a cat. And now I am going back to that place, inshallah. So this was a small tour of canteen of this university. I hope you will like it, you will love it, inshallah, because exploring of these places is really a good experience, and inshallah you will like it, you will love it, inshallah. And you know this day 10 of Ramadan, subhanallah. So Ramadan is going very fast. It seems like yesterday it was the first Ramadan and today it is day 10. Subhanallah. We can't even get how fast the Ramadan is going. Subhanallah, it's very fast. And I think that this is a sign of Qiyamah. Subhanallah, the sign of the day of judgment. That's why, because the time is going very fast and we can't hold it, and we are not able to utilize it, we are not able to benefit it. Subhanallah. So we should think about it very seriously, we should take it seriously, and we should try to utilize our time, and we should try to manage our time as much as we can do, because the time will never stop. It will go very fast, and the thing that we can do is utilizing it, benefiting it, and learning something each day, every day, each time, every time. So maybe inshallah it will benefit us, and we will get the benefit from it inshallah, and it will be helpful for us. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah. So this was for today. Let me show you again. Subhanallah, there are many friends of mine. They are shaking their hands. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Assalamu alaikum. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. So they are MashaAllah. Basal. Tanta. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. The management is really amazing. MashaAllah. ممتاز. كيف حالكم شيخنا؟
الحمد لله.
وفقكم الله، تقبل الله جهودكم الجبارة، شكر الله سعيكم. ما شاء الله. It's very tasty ما شاء الله. Amazing. لذيذ جدا ما شاء الله. أنا تذوقت هذا بالأمس، كان ممتاز، نفس الشيء والله. جزاكم الله خيرا، شكرا لكم، تقبل الله جهودكم. So ما شاء الله, as you can see, they are really doing hard work. Subhanallah. جزاكم الله خيرا. And this is the view of this iftar time. MashaAllah. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. طيب, Jazakumullah khairan. So inshallah meet you soon tomorrow with a new video. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.